Great tour to explore Rome and remains of Roman Empire. Easy access to the town. Awesome experience. It was a phenomenal day walking around all these historic sites. The guide was very informative about everything we saw. The tour experience was great and fruitful. The guide was knowledgeable and patient. It will be better if the earpiece or audio guide will be clearer. Experience Rome's highlights in one comprehensive day with this expertly guided walking tour. Immerse yourself in Roman history, culture, and architecture as you visit iconic sites such as the Colosseum, Vatican Museums, and the Sistine Chapel. Enjoy skip-the-line access to the Vatican Museums and Sistine Chapel, ensuring a smooth visit with your knowledgeable local guide. Explore Rome's historic center, including Piazza Navona, the Trevi Fountain, the Pantheon, and Piazza Venezia, with a recommended 1-hour lunch break. Afterward, delve into the Colosseum with a small group tour, avoiding crowds while learning about gladiators and emperors. Continue to the Vatican with private transfer and skip-the-line entry, discovering masterpieces like the Raphael Rooms and Michelangelo's frescoes.